Thinking through my music and lyrics so you wouldn't see a bad side of me. I'm barbaric, hot-tempered, I'm out of control, like a road rage without a car out in the road. Woe to me, or should I say my enemies? The pen and the pad and the mic is my remedy. Without it, yeah, I might commit a murder. I'd rather